The problem is created by all of us, and we all of us must collaborate to solve it. It can't be a blame game. Hi, my name is Afroz Shah, a lawyer by profession. I've been working on the field with thousands and thousands of people in Mumbai to mitigate the problem of plastic pollution. After becoming a lawyer, I shifted from Andheri, which is one of the suburbs in Mumbai. And when I shifted, the first day I still remember entering that flat where I'm staying right now. I had never seen Warsaw beach like this. It's a 3-kilometer beach in northern Mumbai. It had plastic right up to your earlobes. I said no complaints, and I started cleaning the beach. The first start was in October 2015, cleaning the beach. You see, we human beings live life in a particular way, which I call this life of convenience. And now those 7 billion people are leading a lifestyle which is in conflict with the other species. Pollution begins in the head and must end in the head. You can clean all your life, but you'll have to now stop generation of garbage as well. Because once you in your head think, this is not pollution or this is my right to do pollution, you have a problem. Love and empathy is in short supply in this world, and we must learn to share our lives with others.